What's up, YouTube? This is the top coders for bringing another YouTube video. Actually, our first.
Yeah.
Shall we?
Yeah, this is our first one. We will be making a whole bunch of coding videos. Coding in C++, C Sharp, Batch, Java, whatever comes to your mind. Visual Basic at all. Everything. You go. Alright. Today, we're going to start a batch file. It's going to be our first tutorial. We're going to start with batch file because batch is the easiest type of code to code.
Yes.
Alright, let's start. Actually, Chris, what are we going to be making today?
We're actually going to make a command spammer that crashes the computer by using up all your CPU.
And trust me, it works.
We just did it a second ago.
We tried to make a video. The first one.
And
this is the second time, actually. The second time I actually made this video. First time, I actually ran the program to test it out, and my screen went black forever. I had to turn off my computer, turn it back on, and yeah. Okay, we're going to start with @echo off.
Now this basically makes it so the victim can't see your code that's happening.
Victim? Can't.
Alright, just have to type it out there.
Your code. Huh. Alright, what is this?
Okay, now that kind of creates a virtual file that you can go to on later. Or in a minute in this matter.
And start.
Okay. Start, that creates that opens up the command prompt. That's
and
all it really.
Go to A.
Now go to A, that basically makes it so it goes back to the A file, the original one with the colon. So that'll create a loop script that continues to loop the command prompt to open over and over until your computer dies.
Yes. So this creates a pretty much file, right? So if I say, let's say I wanted to say go to B.
Yeah, it can be anything you want. It doesn't just have to be A, but it's nicer that way.
Let me just examine all this real quick. Let's say if I say go to B. And then we have to create another virtual file called /b. These can be called whatever you want, but we're using letters for right now because it's easier. And we can hit we can type in another code, which would kind of be like, let's say, let's find a music file.
God.
What would a good music file be? What was the location of that town? Remember that?
Oh god, it's freaking annoying.
Where's the location for that?
Okay, go to C drive, Windows. Now, media.
Yeah, it was in there. And it was town. So I would copy all this, right? Control C. Yep. And then I would type it in here. And I would type in, what was it again? It was ME, something like that. MD. Was it MD?
Oh yeah. Wait. Yeah, it was MD. Move directory.
MD, and then we would type in another colon, and we'll type in town dot, what was it, MP3?
I think it was a WAV, actually. Wait, didn't you minimize it?
Yeah, I did minimize it, and
I don't think you have to put the MD, I think.
It was a MID. Never heard of that
mid.
before. A mid file. Let's type in a mid file. And then we can type in another command that says go to, let's say, C, for example. And we can make it C, and we can say end. Or we can just put end after the mid town. But we are covering this, the
command prompt spammer.
Yes. Also, we are covering pretty much virtual files created. Virtual storing positions of code. So if I file, save as, and I'll save it in my bat files as say YouTube1 as our first video. YouTube1 dot bat. Got to save it as a dot bat or it won't run. And
yes.
Save it in the batch files, and it is saved. So let's say I go into my batch files folder and I type in YouTube. I hit YouTube.1. I open that up. It will open up the batch files and it should play the mid, but it's not. I don't know why. I think MD
Take out the
one,
MD.
I think the MD is the one that creates the file.
Yeah.
So we just pretty much created a sound file.
Oh wait, why is it only going open once?
Oh, because I didn't make it to where it spams, because I
Okay.
really don't want to crash my computer right now. I think it was MD.
No, just keep the C drive thing. Yeah, now do it. Now do it. Should open.
We'll cover on making files on another YouTube video. There we go. Opening media. It is playing Town, which is very annoying.
You can ever so slightly hear it.
And see, it opens up the command prompt. And if you wanted to loop to open the command prompt to spam somebody's computer, to mess with a friend, all you gotta do is delete that and type in Goto A. And it creates a virtual loop that would go over and over and over again. That will crash your friend's computer, your mom's computer, your boss's computer, or anybody you hate. Alright? So yep, that's the code for today. And yep, that's the end.
Rate, comment, subscribe, YouTube. See you later.
See you later. The Coders out.